So in this video, I'm going to show how I'm going to pack this tent into this bag. So this is the tent in position ready to be packed in, and I have these ties. These ties came along with the tent, so I'm going to use this to tie it, and that's where I find some problem. It's very difficult to tie it in with this ties because they slip a lot. So now I'm packing it up. So this is how I have tied it with this ties. Now let me use something else. So I have these straps. I ordered them from Amazon. They come along with the strap and these pieces separately. So I just put them together, and now I'm going to use to tie it. So now you can see this is the tie and this is loose. See this? So with the help of these straps, I'm able to tie it much tight than these ties, and it's much easier. I have one more strap that was just came along with my kids' toys, so I'm going to use it again one more here to tie it, and then I'm going to put it back into the bag.